Hello folks, this is Yamil Sued for Gunstark Reviews, and we are here at C2 Tactical in Scottsdale, Arizona, our favorite indoor facility. And we have something that is not directly shooting related, but we're getting to that time of the year that hunting seasons are going on everywhere, and people are coming home with big gigantic elks or turkeys or venison and all that kind of stuff that you guys like to shoot and then have to cook. And what we have here is a wireless cooking thermometer. This is made by a company called Armeator, and we're gonna put a link down in the description where you can get it. This is pretty cool because you pair it to the app on the phone, okay? And it works with Android or iPhone, which is an iPhone, and you stick the thermometer in, and you can be sitting watching TV or watching that game and checking out the temperature of the meat you're cooking. And it's kind of cool, it's easy to pair. You charge it on the box. You charge the box, put batteries in it, okay? And then this becomes your charger. You keep it in the case and it's charging while it's here. You take it out, you pair it, of course, the first time now it's paired to my phone. And heck, this is gonna be kind of cool. This is a great present for anybody this year, okay? And if you buy from the link below, you're helping us as we are affiliates with Amazon. So please check it out. This be a great gift for that one special hunter in your life. Check it out. So guys, like always, please like this video, share this video, and subscribe to the channel. And like always, please remain healthy, stay safe, and definitely have fun at the range.